Why do I have to learn this? When am I ever going to use this in real life? You may not know it, but maths is all around you. You might not recognize it, but it is always there. You use maths and see maths every day. Now open your eyes and take a look. First is patterns. Patterns can be seen in many construction materials like glass, planes, bricks and all. It can also be found in rooftops, sands, tiles, staircases. Second one is symmetry. Symmetry is often found in nature in leaves, flowers, plants and all. Nature also provides examples of symmetry in the faces and bodies of animals and other living things. It can also be found in many man-made objects like windmill, glasses, guitars, flags, statues, etc. Symmetry can also be found in many different types of architecture. Third one is measurement. Precise measurements are necessary to build buildings and houses. We use measurement in cooking, baking and in our diet plan. We also use gauges to measure the speed of vehicles and thermometers to measure the temperature. Measurement is also used to find the area like how much is needed to fill a pool, the area of ground, fields, etc. Time. Time can be measured through clocks, sundials, calendars, watches. We can also find the arrival and departure time of trains, airplanes or buses. Estimation. We use estimation skill to figure out how many items are there in these pictures. Like, we use estimation to figure out the number of people in these pictures. Money. Knowing money is very important in our day-to-day life. Like when we need a balance or debit money from ATM. Money skills are also important in shopping to determine the prices of goods, groceries or clothes. Also, while eating in restaurants, we should know the right amount of bill to pay and the tip we should give. Geometry, shapes, lines and angles. We can find geometrical shapes in many man-made objects. Look at these triangles, rectangles, squares and circles. Geometry can also be found in both natural and man-made objects. We can also find multiple geometrical shapes in a single picture. Fractions, decimals and percents. Knowing fraction is also very important. For example, it can be used to slice pizzas and pies according to the number of people available. Next is probability. Probability determines the chances to win a game of competitors or sporting events. The last one is problem solving. Are you a good problem solver? Can you pick out the luggage from the bottom of the pile or figuring out the strategy to help you in the game? We say maths is always around us, whether we see it in nature or man-made object. Whether we use it to sell, cook, eat, find time, measure, solve problems or even playing games. Maths is always around us.